morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. My name is Samuel Okoyeocha. I want to bring you the normal weekly Elliott Wave and the method of Elliott Wave analysis with DXY. I'm starting as usual. Last week I said that we are at reversal zone. We are at reversal zone, and once we are at reversal zone, many analysis seems to be complex or maybe seems to fail, and that's when we need to be. That's when we need to be very careful when market is at reversal zone. So that's why in the weekly chart we thought we are making a triangle that is ABCDE. It failed. It's now obvious. I'm making so it's obvious that this is wave A and this is A, B, C. So wave B is at its reversal zone. It will surely go deeper. But before it goes deeper, what next? Will it just keep going deeper, or will it go down before going up again? In my opinion, it will go down before going up again once more. Okay, so now let's go to daily. So daily. So daily, there seems to be wave 3. Okay, wave 3 might still go higher. I don't know, but let's assume that wave 3 is over. So when market opens and the market is to go higher, then wave 3 is yet to end. But if wave 3 have ended, we expect the price to cool down at least to 38.2%. So which is around 101.6 and 100.9 area. So then it will give us wave 4 before we go up again to complete wave 5. Then after that we get a deeper correction or maybe end of the buying. But in my opinion, after this we get A, B, C, then we get the final move. We might go up to 110. We must come to 110 area before we finally see the buying. Okay, so let's see 4 hours also. 4 hours. You can see last week I put this out that we are buying from here, and is now buying. So let me go down to 1 hour. It's better. The 1 hour gave us a more clear view. This is wave 3 again, and the ABC wave 4, and this is wave 1. We are expecting an ABC that give us wave 2, then wave 3, 4, and 5. You know, this is just an assumption. We don't know yet how the wave 3 will end, but sure, this is wave 1. Then wave 2 will give us an ABC. Then we expect it to go higher from here. So the market opens, we know what is happening. Let's go to EURUSD. On EURUSD, I will not waste much time because whatever is happening in EURUSD is the reverse of what's happening in DXY. Remember last week, I said once this move is completed, we are expecting this. So we are still, we have not entered the reversal zone. It's just near it. So let's go to daily and see what we have there. So on daily, we can count this as WXYZ. So now this is wave 1 or A, then ABC wave 2. Then wave 3 is about to complete. Once it completes, it gives us wave 4 and 5. So that's exactly what is happening on DXY, to the opposite direction. DXY is buying, USD is selling. So the selling is not yet over. We might see parity this time around. We might see 1-to-1 if care is not taken. But first of all, let's watch out for when this will end. Then we look for, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we may get a deeper move before the final move down. Okay, so that's for Euro USD. That's what I can tell you on Euro USD. Let's move USD CAD. Entering on daily. USD CAD. We also expected the price to get a triangle, but it has failed. Let me remove it. The triangle failed, and what the triangle failed is an ABC. So we are expecting with C to complete at 1.308 and 1.324 zone. So this is where we will be looking for sell. Sorry, for buy. And say yeah for sell. Now we are buying. If your buying is open, move your step. Move to stop loss. I mean to break even. So until we get to this zone, I'm not talking about selling USD CAD. So let's see 4 hours also. Okay, 4 hours, and we can see the wave 4. You know, I tell you that wave 4 will always retrace between 38.2 to 50% of wave 3. So it has completed the. This is expanded flat, please. So we expect it have completed from here. So we expect this to be going up. So not too much to talk about this. So let's move on. USDCHF. Entering on weekly. Weekly shows that we have entered the reversal zone, but we are still have to go far. We still have to go far. So USD CAD is going up. This surely will be going up. So you can see the move is very strong. So let me go down to daily. So daily now the same scenario. This is wave 1, wave 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the question is, this wave 3 has it completed or will it go higher? I don't know. Let's assume it has completed. If it has completed, it will give us from here. Let me put my figure. If it has completed, it will give us at least at 8.2. That's 8.2 at least. So once this wave 3 ends, to give us at 8.2. So if it goes higher, the wave 3, then this goes higher as well. You know, all this thing I'm showing you is that to know what, so that you don't think that the analysis failed. Don't just think it have ended. It may not have ended. So and one thing you know, nobody controls the market. If you control the market, which means you will never have a failed analysis. But we don't control the market. We try to follow what the market is trying to do. We try to dictate what the market is about to do and follow it. So that's why you don't expect 100% forecast. So that's for daily. Let's go down to 4 hours to know whether we have anything there. 4 hours. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now with 3, I show you seems to have ended, or maybe it will go a little higher before it ends. So this is wave 3. It can go a little higher. That's wave 3 we saw on daily. Then if it begins to go down, it means it has ended. So let's not be too forward. When it ended, we will know. And it's good to trade with the trend, not against the trend. So it's better if you don't have open position, then you wait after wave 4, then you buy. Then if you have an open position, you either close it or move your stop loss to break even. So we are going forward. Let's move to the next pair. Pounds USD. Anything on weekly? Or not on weekly, but let me. So to me, this is end of an impulse wave, and this is wave A. This is wave B. Wave B is developing. We expect it to, it has entered the reversal zone, but it seems it will go deeper. Now, from this 1.239 to 1.196 is the first target. If you have to go very deep, then we expect it to touch 1.175. So that's what I can tell you on. Let's go to daily. And daily, we can see the market is giving us 5 waves impulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So wave 3, if it had ended, we start with 4, then wave 5. After that, we know whether we will have a deep correction and go down again, or we will begin to go up. But in my opinion, after this wave 5, we will get an A, B, C, then we go down again. Let's see 4 hours. For 4 hours, you can see the wave 4, wave 3 seems to be over. Then if it is over, we get this, then this. Then after that, we will get an ABC, something like this, and A, before we get this drop again. So that's what I can take on pounds USD. The next AUDUSD. AUDUSD, let me know if anything is on weekly to show you. Okay, nothing much. That the weekly is about to complete an ABC. You can see the dropping is very sharp. So no need of having to in mind whether the selling is over. The selling is not over. We will likely get to at least this channel, at least 0.678. But the ultimate target is this zone, 0.662 and 0.637. That's where our target is. That is our longer term target. You know, it may waste it will waste time to get there because that's the weekly chart. Then this is daily 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. So this will 4. Is it over? On daily charts, we don't have much to analyze because the pattern is not that clear. But all we know that is the market is still going down. Then it may drop to this level, give us correction before finally dropping to this zone. Okay, so we go to 4 hours. Now 4 hours. This is where I have to give you some explanation. Now the market is going down. If you don't know how market moves, you will always be confused. Now this is wave 4, and you see how it moved and moved sharp. This is not wave 4 is a corrective move, but this move is very sharp up, very sharp down. Now when this type of thing happens, we will likely get a complex correction. We might get something like this is wave A, wave B, wave C before it go down. Before it goes down. Or the wave 4 might, okay, let me, this can be wave A, B, C. Either running flat or expanding flat. Either running flat or expanding flat before it goes down. Now, they can also give us triangle. This will be an A, B, C, D, before it goes down. All these things are possible. So whichever one that forms, don't be confused. So even if you see wave 4 coming to here, then it means it made a triangle. If it ends somewhere here, it make either flat, running flat, or zigzag. If it goes up again, zigzag. If it ends before here, then it will be a running flat, and price will go down. So that's all I can explain to you. Because the way the market moves very strong, you may think it just keep going and going and going and going. Okay. Let's move to the next pair. New Zealand USD. New Zealand USD. New Zealand USD. Okay, New Zealand USD, we are expecting the price is going down, but it is a correction. But this is impulse, this is correction, and it is far from over. So let's see daily. Daily, what do you have on daily? The price is giving us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. New Zealand USD is similar to AUDUSD. So either before let me go down to 4 hours. 4 hours. So just you saw what I explained on AUDUSD. If you don't see it, you go back and check it. Either wave 4 has ended, or it will give us a zigzag, or a running flat, or a triangle. Okay, so let's assume it has ended. So it's going down. No, to repeat myself. Let's go to the next pair. JPP25. JPP25. Can we see weekly? Anything on weekly? That's Japan 225 yen index. Okay, weekly suggests that we are going down to 22,429 and 20,800. That's the zone we are going down to. So let's see daily. Okay, on daily, same scenario. Same scenario on weekly and daily, saying the same thing. So we need to go down to 4 hours to see what we have. So the issue is that this wave A has ended. Wave B, we need to go up higher before going down. Sure, it will go down, but we need to continue going down from here or go up higher before going down. Let's look at wave 4 to suggest for us. I mean, 4 hours. Okay, now, you know why I show you this is that this wave B might be here. That is, if you go an A, B, C, before we jump down to this level again, or it must have ended here. I mean, this move suggests that this is possible and this is possible. So why am I saying this? If you want to sell Japan JP 225, your stop loss will be here. Reason is that we don't expect it to go higher than this level. It can only give us an A, B, See, and this very move is a typical flat of an A B move. So if it goes down here with speed, if it goes down here with speed, you might not come up again. Then it will be maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So be careful if you are trading this so that you don't make a mistake. If you want to sell it, I suggest you wait, let it close below this level, then you sell. Or if it goes up to here, I'll be happy to see it go up. Then I will sell it from here. Right now, I don't trade it right now because I want to know what it's trying to do. If it make an ABC, fine, I'll be happy and I will sell from there down to this place. It will be a smooth trade. So let's move on. The next is EURJPY. Let's see daily again. It is still going up. So it's still going up. We are now at correction. So let's see 4 hours. 4 hours will show us where we are going. So in this move, you can see this is wave A. You now see what I told you about wave B. Wave B can make any type of correction. So I'm expecting this to be an A, B, C. And after that, it will drop. So JPY go with JPY. So if it goes up, this will go up also. Then the selling will be here. I didn't sell this. I sold from here. When it was doing this, I closed it. Because when market is fast, wave B can also be fast. But I closed when it was doing this. So now, if I see it here, I will sell again and target this level. Okay. So let's go to the next pair. Next pair is USDJPY. USDJPY, I will show you 4 hours again because they are all doing the same thing. They are all doing the same thing. So on 4 hours, last week or maybe in the middle. Okay, I shared this on my TikTok channel. Yes, I have TikTok channel where I make video almost every day. 5 minutes video, 10 minutes video. I show this on TikTok channel and the Instagram. Maybe I'll put those links below this video. My TikTok and my Instagram. So I show this on Instagram and TikTok that this is an ABC, that we are going up. So we are going up until we get to this level. We now know whether it will go up higher or it will correct before going up again. So the bottom line is that USDCAD is going up for now. So let's check pounds JPY. Pounds JPY, the same move or maybe similar move. Nothing more on daily. Let me go down to 4 hours direct. Okay, this is one of the pairs I sold when this happened because of this fast move. I sold, and when this began to make sideways, I closed it. I was expecting this to go up from here, but it dropped. Nevertheless, I would sell it here. I'm expecting it to go up again to give me this A, B, C. Before then that will be a good structure. That will be a good structure for me to sell. Now the structure is not an ideal one. So I want to have an ideal structure before I make the sell. Okay, you can see it. So I want to see A, B, C. Then I will sell it from here. Okay, that's much on pounds JPY. The next is I think gold. Yeah, gold. Gold is another area we have some complex matters to attend. Okay, I've shown you this daily and weekly for a long time, so I hope to show it to you. Gold is still going down. That's the bottom line on daily. Now, this is where we have some riddle to solve. Okay, is this you can see this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's the typical of wave A. Let me write it. This is wave A. Okay, now this wave B, is it completed here? What about now? This wave B, is it over or will it come to this level? The B wave, this is A, then the B, will it come to this level before going down? Maybe we go down to 2 hours. So, you know where you go, the clearer it becomes. This is 1 hour. And then you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is a typical move of wave A. But this wave B is too deep already, unless it will make a flat. Unless the wave B will make a flat, something like this. Then, if it make a flat, it would come to this level again. It may end somewhere here before going down. So I'm showing you all these options so that you will be conscious of them. Why showing all these things? So that if you are trading, if you are selling gold, your stop loss will be here. But if you're selling gold, here will be your stop loss. Okay. There is stop loss. So that is it. We might get here or get here before going down. Okay, let's go to silver. Silver. There's something on silver that anyway, not confusing, but seems to differ with what you see on gold. Silver is showing us a complete structure, A, B, C. Now, gold is showing us that it is still go deeper. Now, what is going to happen? I'm expecting silver might be going sideways and gold will be going down. What do I mean? Silver must be doing this. Silver might be doing this. And gold will be doing this. Then when they complete, you see gold going up, see silver going up. This is the only thing that can happen on both pairs. So on 4 hours, nothing much to show you on 4 hours again. This is a complete C wave. So I don't know how else I will see it. I just wait to know how it will develop. But for now, I'm only waiting for it to close this level. Then I will look for buy setup. The next pair is platinum. The next pair is platinum. Let's see daily. Platinum daily charts seems to be complex because of this type of move. If you count it as an impulse, you will be wrong. If you count it as an ABC, you'll be wrong. So for now, we need the price to give us more data. So let's see 4 hours to know whether we see something. Okay, now on 4 hours, we can make some analysis on 4 hours. Based on this move, you know, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is an air wave. Then this can be wave B. Then this can be wave C coming down. So if that is the case, I will go like this. Yeah. So if that is the case, it means that platinum will go very, very low. Or first of all, it will come to this level, this A, B, C, then correct and go lower again. Or it will give us an A, B, C, then come down again, go high before going lower. Okay, so that's what I have on platinum. Okay, let me check one hour also. Maybe there'll be something I want to show. Okay, I wonder why this can be wave 1, ABC, wave 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anyway, if this is an impulse, then it will go higher. If it is a correction, it has ended. Let me check the FIBO level of this. Okay, if this is a correction, then it is a deep correction. Okay, whenever correction goes above 1.8 or below it, we see it as a deep correction, which is not out of the structure. So this can be correction. If that is the case, it's going to go down. If not, it will go up from here. Then it will be this wave 1, wave 2, and so on. The next is US oil. US oil is the next. I go to 4 hours direct. Okay. On 4 hours on US oil. I think on my Instagram and TikTok again, in the middle of the last week I said you either get triangle or we get this. Triangle failed, then this is going to complete. So know how oil will come to 112.8 and between 112.8 and 115.8. From here, the selling will start. I won't miss this sell. Please don't miss this sell. It will surely happen. It will surely happen. This type of structure does not fail. It is 99% sure it will happen. So why I said at time because you don't control the market, you just follow the market and tell you what will happen next. So I expect this to happen and this to happen. Okay, so we are going down to 8. So oil after this, the net target will be 8. Okay, don't miss this trade. Even if you miss others, don't miss this. The next US100 NASDAQ, the almighty NASDAQ. What do you have for NASDAQ? Okay. This pattern can basically be described as an ABC. Okay, but let me leave it how I labeled it. A, B, C. So anyway, let me remove it. This is a typical or double zigzag for me. So this is the first zigzag, A, B, C. And that's BW, X, Y. So now what are we going to expect? With Y, we need to keep going down from here complete. I doubt such move will happen. I expect this type of move. If you take, if you look carefully, you can see that this move is similar to this move. Okay, and because of that, I'm expecting this type of move. to happen anywhere from here before going down. Why am I doing this? The market tend to repeat itself. That's pattern keeps repeating and repeating and repeating in trading. Now look at this. Look at this. They are similar. They might not be exact, but they will be similar. Even this and this is similar. So this is higher than this. So markets always repeat what it does. So let's watching. Why am I showing you all this? Is to sell this, you have to pause a bit. Even if you see it going down, it can be a trick. It can just go down small and go up with speed. Okay, so on 4 hours, it is in a versatile zone already. So no sell. I'm not looking for buy setup because we are at a reversal zone. The next pair is US dollar in SP500. And there's no two ways about it. We are going down. We are going down. So let's see 4 hours. So on 4 hours now, this is with A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With A. Now, this with B. Is it over here? Or will it give us, you know what I explained on, I think, this on JP, no, not on JPY. AUDUSD and NZDUSD. I think that's what I explained, that this wave 4 can form any type of pattern. So if you have forgotten what I thought, go back and watch the video again. This wave B can make any pattern before going down. So it's going to be, it's going to be simple to make some pattern before it go down. But nevertheless, the price is going down. As long as this level isn't taken out, we are going down on this. Let me check 101. Maybe there's something there. Anyway, they're not on a 101, but we can have some move up to give us a running flat and go down. Okay, the next pair, I think, should be Bitcoin. This pair is Bitcoin. I will be only showing you Bitcoin. So, pardon me, I can't be analyzing all the cryptos, but whatever happens on Bitcoin, others will follow. Okay, Bitcoin, we will be saying that Bitcoin not be going down. So let me tell you my reason. My reason is simple. My reason is simple. After this move, Bitcoin made almost 88.6 Fibonacci retracement, and I haven't seen Bitcoin go below that. Okay, until it proved me wrong, I will not sell Bitcoin. And of course, if I have sold from here, I would have made some profit. But you know, you don't get all the markets. I follow my instincts in trading. Okay, I am only looking for buy on Bitcoin because of this reason. This is my reason. All this move, after this move, this is impulse, this is correction, and the correction have completed almost at 8 points. Okay, let me say it's 8.6 is at 32,225. Maybe it will touch it and go up. I haven't seen correction go below that. Though wave 2 can be even 99.9% of wave 1. It can happen. But to me, Bitcoin will surprise us when we not expect. So for selling, those who are selling, congratulations for the profits you are making. I haven't sold Bitcoin. I'm only looking for buy. The reason is that when I buy, I'll be looking for new high. You know, this is current high, 70,000. So I'll be looking for 75 and above. Okay, and it will be a long trade. Okay, so that will be the end of my today's video. Remember, we have Telegram channel, 2 for free, 1 for students. Yes, I have students. If you want to join them, you let me know. You pay little money. I will teach you everything, and I will give you time to learn. I won't rush you to finish 6 months or 1 year. I'll give you a good 2 years to learn, so that you learn everything. Secondly, I'll be posting. I'm posting already short videos on TikTok and Instagram, and I will add my Instagram channel and TikTok link here, so that if you like it, you will subscribe and watching the little videos. So I've got to go down to Bitcoin to show you 4 hours. Now, this is wave 1, 2, 3. This is wave 4. This is ABC. I don't want to read it. Then this is wave 1, A, B, C, wave 2, wave 3, 4, and 5. This wave 3 can go deeper before wave 4 happens, and wave 5. So you may not get much deeper again from Bitcoin. Okay, that's my own opinion. If you want to sell, good luck. Myself, I don't have anything to sell again. Thank you for watching. Remember, trade with stop loss. Don't over risk. Don't jump in. Don't jump in. Use stop loss. Don't add it to a losing position. That is, if you are losing to the market, you should use your stop loss, because don't do that. Let's assume your stop loss is here. Let me assume your stop loss is here. Let's assume you sold and your stop loss is there. You see the market coming up and you are shifting it. You can grow your account. Isn't this like this? The market you want to short might have ended, and it will keep going up and go up and up and up. So if you keep shifting your stop loss, you will harm your account. So if you determine to sell, for instance, if I want to sell this Bitcoin, my stop loss will be here. If the market hits it, I want to regret, because I have determined that I will lose this money before I open the position. I have determined that if this favor me, I will lose. If it was me, I will gain. So instead of shifting it, you can only shift your stop loss to break it even. For instance, you enter the buy from sell from here. When this happened again. Your stop loss somewhere there will be down here. By now you are on gain. That's the break even. If it goes down again, you shift it again. You are on profit. So you must shift the stop loss towards where your profits are. Thank you, and God bless you.